Welcome to our brain-bending journey through 80 captivating facts about the most intricate and mysterious organ in the human body, the brain. The average adult human brain weighs about 3 pounds, 1.4 kilograms. It contains around 86 billion nerve cells or neurons. The brain generates about 25 watts of power when awake, enough to light a bulb. The amygdala plays a crucial role in processing emotions, especially fear. Memories are not localized in one specific area, they are distributed throughout the brain. The human brain is 75% water. Brain cells can live for an entire human lifetime. Your brain can process information as fast as 120 meters per second. The human brain starts to decline in volume and weight after the age of 30. Chewing gum can improve cognitive function and enhance memory. The brain can rewire itself after injury or damage, neuroplasticity. During sleep, your brain consolidates memories and clears toxins. Laughter triggers the release of dopamine, the feel-good chemical. Humans use only about 10% of their brains, debunking the myth of 10% brain capacity. Physical exercise stimulates brain health and improves cognitive abilities. Playing a musical instrument enhances brain connectivity and function. Lack of sleep impairs cognitive performance and affects decision-making. The brain consumes 20% of the body's total oxygen and calories. Chronic stress can shrink the brain's memory center, the hippocampus. The cerebellum coordinates movement and balance. Brain scans show that love activates the same brain regions as addiction. Humans have more complex brain structures than other animals, accounting for higher cognitive abilities. The butterfly effect in chaos theory is similar to how a single neuron firing can influence brain function. Dopamine plays a crucial role in motivation and reward processing. Your brain is more active when you're daydreaming than when you're focused on a specific task. Smells can evoke vivid memories due to the close link between olfaction and memory. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making, continues to develop into early adulthood. The brain's white matter allows communication between different brain regions. Humans have the largest brain-to-body ratio of any animal. Sleep deprivation affects the brain similarly to alcohol intoxication. Physical exercise promotes the growth of new brain cells. The brain's basal ganglia are involved in habit formation. Babies have about 50% more neurons than adults, which are pruned as they grow. Chronic multitasking can negatively impact cognitive abilities and productivity. The brain is more active during REM sleep, the stage when most dreaming occurs. Meditation can increase gray matter density in brain regions associated with learning and memory. The brain's outer layer, the cerebral cortex, plays a crucial role in higher-order thinking. Neurotransmitters facilitate communication between neurons. The brain's frontal lobe, responsible for reasoning and planning, is the last to fully mature. Your brain's response to pain can be lessened by looking at a loved one or holding hands. Fasting can trigger the production of new neurons and increase brain health. Exercise improves mood by promoting the release of endorphins. Humans can develop superhuman memory abilities as demonstrated by memory champions. The brain can generate new neurons throughout life in a process called neurogenesis. The brain's hippocampus plays a vital role in spatial navigation and memory consolidation. Chronic stress can lead to the rewiring of the brain's reward circuitry, contributing to addiction. The human brain is more active during the day than at night. Some individuals have mirror touch synesthesia, experiencing the sensations they observe in others. The brain's default mode network is active during daydreaming and self-reflection. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain health and cognitive function. The brain's insular cortex processes empathy and self-awareness. Brain freeze occurs when cold foods or drinks rapidly cool the blood vessels in the brain. The brain processes negative information more thoroughly than positive information. Blind individuals can repurpose brain regions typically used for sight to enhance other senses. The left brain hemisphere controls the right side of the body, and vice versa. The brain's reward center can be activated by addictive substances like drugs and sugar. Too much screen time can negatively impact brain development in children. The brain's thalamus acts as a sensory relay, filtering information before it reaches the cortex. The brain's hypothalamus regulates hunger, thirst, body temperature, and sleep. Brain cells communicate through electrical and chemical signals. The brain experiences a surge of dopamine when trying something new or novel. Lack of social interaction can lead to cognitive decline and increase the risk of dementia. The brain's parietal lobe processes sensory information and spatial awareness. Reducing inflammation through diet can positively impact brain health. A high-sugar diet can impair memory and cognitive function. Brain waves differ in frequency and play roles in various cognitive states, for example, sleep, meditation. The brain processes emotional and physical pain similarly. Deep breathing and relaxation techniques can reduce stress and improve brain function. The brain's prefrontal cortex is responsible for impulse control and self-regulation. Brain signals can be recorded and used to control external devices, brain-computer interfaces. Daytime napping can enhance memory consolidation and cognitive performance. The brain's mirror neurons help us understand and imitate others' actions. The brain releases the hormone oxytocin during bonding and social interactions. Intense emotional experiences can create vivid and long-lasting memories. The brain's hippocampus can grow in response to exercise and environmental enrichment. Brain scans reveal that rejection activates the same brain regions as physical pain. The brain's ventromedial prefrontal cortex plays a role in moral decision-making. Curiosity activates the brain's reward system and enhances learning. The brain's cerebrum is divided into two hemispheres connected by the corpus callosum. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish consumption are linked to a lower risk of cognitive decline. The brain's motor cortex controls voluntary movements. A lack of sleep can lead to impaired decision-making and emotional regulation. The brain's limbic system plays a central role in emotions and motivation. The brain processes negative information more deeply than positive information due to survival instincts.